Good morning everybody. In this session I am going to teach preparation of phenol. In our syllabus they are given 4 methods to us. First one, preparation of phenol from benzene diazonium salts. Second one, preparation of phenol from benzene diazonium salts. First one is preparation of phenol from haloarine. Second one from benzene diazonium salts. Third one, benzene sulfonic acid from benzene sulfonic acid. Fourth one from cumene. First of all, I am going to prepare phenol from haloarine. From haloarine. For example, chlorobenzene. This one is example for haloarine. Okay, I am going to prepare phenol from haloarine. Actually, aromatic compounds undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction. This is also aromatic compound, but this reaction is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. This reaction name is called as Dow's process. Preparation of phenol from haloarine. This reaction, it is important naming reaction. Its name Dow's process. Chlorobenzene is react with sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide. Its condition 623 Kelvin and 300 atmospheric pressure. This is nucleophilic substitution reaction. Here H plus, here Cl minus. The Cl minus is combined with H plus bond formation. So HCl is removed. Okay, what's the charge of NaO? O minus. This carbon atom charge is plus. So bond formation, you can get sodium phenoxide. You can get one intermediate. Its name sodium phenoxide. Next, we have to do acidification. What do you mean by acidification? Addition of acid is called as acidification. So I am going to add acid. For example, I am going to add hydrochloric acid. Compare hydrogen and chlorine. Which one is more electronegative? Chlorine. So chlorine takes one pair of electron. Here oxygen electronegativity is greater than sodium. So oxygen takes one pair of electron. Na plus Cl minus bond formation. So NaCl is removed. What's the charge of O? Minus H plus. So bond formation, you can get phenol. Preparation of first one, preparation of phenol from haloarine. This is called as this is important naming reaction. It's another one name Dow's process. How will you prepare phenol from haloarine? For example, chlorobenzene react with sodium hydroxide heated at 623 Kelvin and 300 atmospheric pressure. In this condition, it undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction. You can get sodium phenoxide. Then we have to do acidification. So I am going to add hydrochloric acid. This Na plus is combined with Cl minus. It gives NaCl. NaCl is removed. O minus H plus, it becomes phenol. So preparation of phenol from haloarine. Next one, preparation of phenol from benzene diazonium salt. I am going to prepare phenol from benzene diazonium salt. From benzene diazonium salts, I am going to prepare phenol from benzene diazonium salt, benzene diazonium chloride. C6H5N2Cl. This is what? Benzene diazonium chloride. Okay. First of all, I am going to prepare benzene diazonium chloride. Then I will prepare phenol from benzene diazonium chloride. First, how will you prepare benzene diazonium chloride? I am going to prepare benzene diazonium chloride from aniline. This process is called as diacetyl. Aniline is converted into benzene diazonium chloride in presence of nitrous acid. Okay, this process is called as diacetyl. Okay, then I am going to prepare phenol from benzene diazonium chloride. Are you clear? First of all, I am going to prepare benzene diazonium chloride. Then I will prepare phenol from benzene diazonium chloride. How will you prepare benzene diazonium chloride? From aniline. You know very well aniline formula C6H5NH2. C6H5NH2 aniline. Okay. React with nitrous acid. Its condition 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. React with nitrous acid. But actually we can't able to add nitrous acid because this nitrous acid is easily involved in oxidation process. So it becomes nitric acid. So we can't able to add nitrous acid. So I am going to add mixture of sodium nitrite and hydrochloric acid. NaNO2 plus 2HCl. This mixture of sodium nitrite and hydrochloric acid react with aniline, it becomes benzene diazonium chloride. Are you clear? This NaNO2 react with HCl. 2 moles of HCl. Listen here. NaNO2. First 1 mole of HCl. Okay. So here compare hydrogen and chlorine. Cl minus. Here NO2 minus. Okay. This Na plus is combined with Cl. NaCl is removed. What's the charge of H? Plus NO2 minus HNO2. When sodium nitrite react with hydrochloric acid, actually we have to add 2 moles of HCl, but 1 mole of HCl react with 1 mole of NaNO2, it becomes HNO2. Okay. So another 1 mole hydrochloric acid is the unreacted HCl. Okay, listen here. This NaNO2 react with HCl, it becomes HNO2. Aniline. Aniline. 1 mole of NaNO2 react with 1 mole of HCl. It becomes HNO2. Its structure O double bond N bond OH. And then 1 mole 1 HCl is there. Okay, unreacted HCl. This Cl here H plus Cl minus, here OH minus. This H plus is combined with OH minus, 1 mole of water is removed. What's the charge of Cl? Minus N plus minus bond formation in between nitrogen and chlorine. Okay. Next, I am going to compare nitrogen and oxygen. Which one is more electronegative? Oxygen. Oxygen takes 1 pair of electron, 1 bond break. Again, oxygen takes 1 pair of electron, double bond. These 2 bonds break. What's the charge of oxygen? O2 minus. Here, what's the charge of nitrogen? N2 plus. Because 2 times loss of electron. Okay. This O2 minus is combined with here. Compare nitrogen and hydrogen. Nitrogen takes 1 pair of electron. Here also nitrogen takes 1 pair of electron. 1 H plus, this 1 H plus. These 2 H plus is combined with O2 minus, it becomes water. Already this H plus is combined with OH minus, it becomes water. These 2 H plus combined with oxygen, it becomes water. So totally 2 moles of water. Listen here, Cl minus, N plus, N bond Cl. Okay, next here N2 minus. Here N2 plus, here N2 minus. So double bond formation in between these 2 nitrogen. You can get benzene diazonium chloride. Are you clear? Benzene diazonium chloride. C6H5NCl. Benzene diazonium chloride. Its byproduct is 2 moles of water. Our topic, preparation of phenol from benzene diazonium chloride. First of all, I am going to prepare benzene diazonium chloride from aniline. This is aniline. Okay, I am going to prepare benzene diazonium chloride. How will you prepare? When aniline react with the nitrous acid, it gives benzene diazonium chloride. But we can't be able to add nitrous acid. What's the reason? Because this nitrous acid is easily involved in oxidation process, so it becomes a nitrous acid, nitric acid. So we can't be able to add nitrous acid. So I am going to add mixture of NaNO2 and 2HCl. 1 mole of NaNO2 is react with 1 mole of HCl. And another 1 mole is there. 1 mole HCl is react with 1 mole NaNO2, it becomes HNO2. Okay, so this aniline react with HNO2. nitrous acid. We can draw like this: O double bond N bond OH. Unreacted HCl is there, so another 1 mole HCl. This H plus is combined with OH minus 1 mole of water. These two H plus is combined with O2 minus another 1 mole of water. Already here Cl minus, here N plus NCl, here 2 minus 2 plus N double bond NCl. Benzene diazonium chloride. Aniline is converted into benzene diazonium chloride. Its condition 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. What's the condition? 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. I mean ice cold condition. Okay, so it becomes benzene diazonium chloride. This process is called as diacetyl. Aniline is converted into benzene diazonium chloride in presence of nitrous acid at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius is called as diacetyl. Now I am going to prepare phenol from benzene diazonium chloride. I am going to prepare phenol from benzene diazonium chloride. How will you prepare? This is benzene diazonium chloride. Then I am going to add water. Then we have to do action of heat. Water we can write H plus or OH minus. Here Cl electronegativity is greater than nitrogen. So the Cl minus is combined with H plus. So HCl is removed. HCl is removed. What's the charge of nitrogen? Plus. Okay, here compare carbon and nitrogen. Which one is more electronegative? Nitrogen. So nitrogen takes one pair of electron. Here also bond break. Here nitrogen charge plus. Here nitrogen charge minus. So plus minus bond formation. So double bond becomes triple bond. So N triple bond N. That one is what? N2. N triple bond N. We can write N2. Okay. What's the charge of this C plus OH minus? So bond formation you can get phenol. Preparation of phenol from benzene diazonium chloride. This is second method. Preparation of phenol from benzene diazonium chloride. How will you prepare? First of all, we have to take benzene diazonium chloride. Then we have to add water. Then we have to do action of heat. Water we can write H plus bar OH minus. This H plus is combined with Cl minus. It becomes HCl. Bond formation in between H and Cl minus. Okay. Here nitrogen plus. Here compare carbon and nitrogen. Nitrogen electronegativity is greater than carbon. So here N minus, N plus, plus minus bond formation. So double bond becomes triple bond. What's the charge of carbon? C plus. OH minus is the so bond formation. You can get phenol. Okay. So next I am going to prepare phenol from benzene sulfonic acid. I am going to third method. Preparation of phenol from benzene sulfonic acid. From benzene sulfonic acid. I am going to prepare phenol from benzene sulfonic acid. First of all, I am going to prepare benzene sulfonic acid. Okay, then only I am going to prepare phenol. How will you prepare benzene sulfonic acid? Okay, our topic is preparation of phenol from benzene sulfonic acid. First, I am going to prepare benzene sulfonic acid. Then only I am going to prepare phenol from benzene sulfonic acid. Are you clear? How will you prepare benzene sulfonic acid? When we do sulfonation in benzene, it becomes benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene is converted into benzene sulfonic acid. I am going to take benzene. Then I am going to do sulfonation. If you want to do sulfonation means we have to add sulfonating reagent. It may be concentrated nitric acid, sulfuric acid or oleum. You can add any one. Here I am going to add con H2SO4, concentrated sulfuric acid. It gives electrophile. This one is electrophilic substitution reaction. Sulfonation process is a electrophilic substitution reaction. It gives sulfur trioxide. Okay. Sulfur trioxide we can write like this. Yes, double bond O, double bond O, double bond O. Sulfur trioxide we can write like this. Each and every carbon contains one nitrogen. Here carbon present. Compare carbon and nitrogen. Which one is more electronegative? Carbon. So here bond break. H plus. Compare sulfur and oxygen. Which one is more electronegative? Oxygen. So oxygen takes one pair of electron. Double bond becomes single bond. What's the charge of sulfur? Here S plus OH, O minus. Here H plus, this H plus is move towards O minus. O minus H plus, it becomes OH, double bond becomes single bond. What's the charge of sulfur? Plus. Here yes, carbon minus. So bond formation in between carbon and sulfur. You can get one intermediate. Its name is benzene. You can get benzene sulfonic acid. Preparation of benzene sulfonic acid from benzene. Here S plus carbon minus bond formation. Double bond O, double bond O. Here single bond O minus this H plus. Okay, or we can write SO3, yes, benzene sulfonic acid, C6H5SO3, benzene sulfonic acid. Now I am going to prepare phenol from benzene sulfonic acid. Now this is what preparation of benzene sulfonic acid from benzene. Now I am going to prepare phenol from benzene sulfonic acid. Okay, how will you prepare phenol from benzene sulfonic acid? Benzene sulfonic acid, this is benzene sulfonic acid. Yes, yes, double bond O, OH. This is what? Benzene sulfonic acid. Okay, react with sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide. You know benzene sulfonic acid, it is acid, acidic in nature. Sodium hydroxide is the basic nature. So when acid react with base, it produce salt as well as water. Am I right? This is acidic in nature. This one is basic in nature. Acid react with base, it produce salt. So here this H plus, acid it gives H plus ion, base OH minus ion. So water is removed. O minus Na plus. Am I right? Here we can write like this. So O minus Na plus, bond formation between oxygen and sodium. You can get SO3 Na. Yes, O3, O minus Na plus, ONA. Sodium salts of benzene sulfonic acid. You can get sodium salts of benzene sulfonic acid. Again it react with sodium hydroxide. 2 moles of sodium hydroxide. You can get the sodium phenoxide. Na, 2 moles of NaOH. How many moles of NaOH? 2 moles. NaOH plus NaOH. These sodium salts of benzene sulfonic acid react with 2 moles of NaOH. You can get sodium phenoxide. Sodium phenoxide, listen here, OH minus. This OH minus is combined with H plus 1 mole of water. Okay, OH minus combined with H plus 1 mole of water. Compare carbon and sulfur. Here carbon present. Compare carbon and sulfur. Which one is more electronegative? Sulfur. So sulfur takes 1 pair of electron. Here also bond break. What's the charge of carbon? Plus. NaO minus. Carbon plus NaO minus. O minus C plus bond formation. You can get sodium phenoxide. You can get sodium phenoxide. Next this Na plus is combined with this remaining part. You can get Na2SO3. SO3 Na2SO3 remaining part. Are you clear? First this is benzene sulfonic acid react with the sodium hydroxide. It is acidic in nature. This one is basic nature. So acid react with the base, it produce salt as well as water. Okay, the sodium salts of benzene sulfonic acid is react with the 2 moles of NaOH. Okay, 1 mole of water. OH minus is combined with H plus, 1 mole of water is removed. Here Na plus, this NaO minus. Next compare carbon and sulfur. Which one is more electronegative? Sulfur. So here bond break. Carbon charge is plus, NaO minus. So bond formation you can get sodium phenoxide. Okay. Next remaining this Na plus is combined with combined with the remaining part. It becomes Na2CO3. Okay. Then we have to do acidification in sodium phenoxide. Acidification means what? Addition of acid. Am I right? We have to add acid in this sodium phenoxide, HCl. I am going to add acid in this sodium phenoxide. So compare oxygen and sodium. Which one is more electronegative? Oxygen. So oxygen takes 1 pair of electron. Here also bond break. O minus. Compare compare hydrogen and chlorine. Which one is more electronegative? Chlorine. So chlorine takes one pair of electron. Here bond break. O minus H plus it becomes phenol. What's the byproduct in this chemical reaction? Here Na plus Cl minus. You can get HCl. So preparation of phenol from benzene sulfonic acid. First of all, I am going to prepare benzene sulfonic acid. When benzene react with the concentrated sulfuric acid, we have to do sulfonation process in benzene. You can get benzene sulfonic acid. It is acidic in nature. When it react with the base, it gives salt. Sodium hydroxide is a base. It gives salt. Then again it react with the 2 moles of NaOH. You can get sodium phenoxide. Then we have to do acidification. So I am going to add hydrochloric acid. You can get phenol and its byproduct is hydrochloric acid. Okay. Next I am going to prepare phenol from cumene. From cumene. Preparation of phenol from cumene. Cumene means what? Isopropyl benzene is called as cumene. Isopropyl benzene. When benzene react with prop-1ene, you can get isopropyl benzene. Listen, CH3, CH, double bond CH2, react with benzene. In presence of, each and every carbon has one hydrogen. So I would like to show hydrogen atom in this carbon atom. In presence of orthophosphoric acid, H3PO4. Okay. It gives isopropyl benzene. Compare carbon and hydrogen. Which one is more electronegative? Here carbon electronegativity is greater than hydrogen. Here bond break. C minus. Here H plus. This is first carbon atom, second, third carbon atom. Here first carbon atom takes one pair of electron. So one bond will break. So double bond becomes single bond. Here C, first carbon atom C minus. Second carbon atom is plus. Here this C plus. Phenyl carbon minus, bond formation. Second carbon atom charge is plus. Here phenyl carbon atom charge is minus. So bond formation in between phenyl carbon atom and the second carbon atom. Here C minus H plus, so it becomes CH3. So you can get isopropyl benzene. CH, single bond. This carbon charge minus H plus, you can get CH3. Are you clear? H plus CH2 minus, so it becomes CH3. Okay. Then I am going to do oxidation in this isopropyl benzene in presence of atmosphere. I am going to do atmospheric oxygen, oxidation. So oxidation means what? Addition of oxygen, O2, in presence of atmosphere. So we have to do atmospheric oxidation in isopropyl benzene. It gives one intermediate, cumene hydroperoxide. Listen here, CH we can write like this. O2, how will you write? O double bond O. Am I right? One oxygen takes one pair of electron. Double bond becomes single bond. O2 we can write like this. O double bond O. Double bond becomes single bond. Here minus O minus, this O plus. Okay, compare carbon and hydrogen. Which one is more electronegative? Carbon. So carbon takes one pair of electron. Here also bond break. H plus O minus, it becomes OH. Double bond becomes single bond. This O plus carbon charge minus, so bond formation. You can get cumene hydroperoxide. You can get cumene hydroperoxide. C, CH3, CH3, H plus, listen, O bond OH. Are you clear? O single bond, O minus, H plus OH. Here single bond. This oxygen plus carbon minus. Okay, this is what cumene hydroperoxide. Then I am going to add dilute acid. So this compound will undergo decomposition. So you can get product. I am going to add dilute acid. Sulfuric acid or nitric acid, any acid you can add. I am going to add dilute acid. When you add dilute acid, this compound will undergo decomposition. So it gives product to us. So what will happen? Compare oxygen and the hydroxyl group. Hydroxyl group electronegativity is greater than oxygen. So here bond break. OH minus. Okay. Here what's the charge of CO plus. Next, this is phenyl carbon. This is propyl carbon atom. Okay, phenyl carbon. Here also bond break. What's the charge of phenyl carbon? C plus. Here OH minus. So bond formation you can get phenol. Are you clear? When you dilute the acid in a cumene hydroperoxide, this compound will decomposition. It gives a product to us. Okay, compare oxygen and hydroxyl group. Which one is more electronegative? Hydroxyl group. So hydroxyl group takes one pair of electrons. So bond break in between oxygen and hydroxyl group. OH minus, here O plus. Compare phenyl carbon and propyl carbon atom, second carbon atom. So here propyl carbon atom takes one pair of electrons. Here also bond break. What's the charge of this? C plus. OH minus. So bond formation. Phenol. Here C minus, oxygen plus, plus minus, bond formation. So one more bond formation in between carbon and oxygen. You can get byproduct. Byproduct is CH3, C double bond O, CH3. This is the last method. Preparation of phenol from cumene. How will you prepare phenol? In our syllabus, they are given four methods. They are given to us. First one is from aloarine. That process is also called as Dow's process. Second one from benzene diazonium salt. Third one from cumene. Fourth one is from benzene sulfonic acid. Okay. Thank you everybody.